What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing and unbagging my regular old Ipsy Glam bag for the month of June. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. So you know Ipsy retails for $12 a month. So yeah, let's see what we got here. Here is the bag. It's okay. It's not the cutest bag I've received, but hey, I'm grateful for the fact that I do get a makeup bag with Ipsy because I use these for everything. But yeah, let's see what I got. So, Show Your Colors is this month's theme. And, alright, let's get right into it. The first product is this Ace Beauty Blushed Up Blush in Peachy. So this is a deluxe sample and the full size retails for $30. Okay, let's see here. I usually do wear like pink or peach blushes, so let's see if it's something that I would wear. Oh, I like the packaging. Oh, that's really pigmented. It's really soft too. Oh wow, that's really pretty. It's a very vibrant peach. Definitely something that I will wear. Alright, second product is this LOral Beauty LR 105 Short Shadow in Gray. So it's just this shader brush, and it retails for $28. I mean, I've paid some good money for brushes before, but I don't think I would pay $28 for a shader brush. Good thing I didn't pay for it, but you know what I mean. Alright, the third product is this Dr. Pawpaw, that's cute, overnight lip mask. Give your dry and chapped lips the TLC they deserve with this overnight mask. I'm very picky about my lip moisturizers and lip masks, so I don't know. This is a deluxe sample, and the full size retails for $6. Okay. Then we have, okay, this is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I have tried this before and I liked it. I didn't love it because I feel like this is a primer that works better for people who have oily or combo skin, but it's a good primer. The 2-in-1 primer helps protect and moisturize skin. Oh. I double dose to hydrate skin and grip makeup. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. So, full size retails for $36. And the last product, I actually made it in time for choice, and this was my choice item, which is the Tarte Man-Eater Voluptuous Mascara. So I have tried this mascara before, and I really like it. I like the thin spiky brush, and I just think Tarte has some of the best mascaras out there. This is deluxe sample, and the full size retails for $24. So, for the most part, this is a really good bag. Not super excited about the lip mask or the brush because I have 1,000,001 shader brushes, but everything else I'm really excited about. Yeah, let me know what you think about my Ipsy bag, and if you did get Ipsy this month, let me know what your favorite product was. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me unbag my Ipsy bag, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.